Hey, Struglines, and I want to share a little function I did. Often I'll be working with other people, and we'll be using the same scripts, but trying to keep track of the path and make sure it works in the same place can be difficult, especially if they've stored it. It's launching a program, not, if you're inside a script, you could say get this path and then work from there. But if you're trying to launch something else that maybe they put somewhere else, it can be very difficult. Especially if we have like a network of files and stuff, and you're trying to keep them all synced. So what I do is I say, hey, put it under, create a folder under Dropbox called this, and then it'll work from that. And so I wrote this little function. It goes in, it's using the registry. So the registry read comes in and says, hey, go down this path, and I did some Googling to find how do you detect, where does Dropbox actually install? And if you run this, this is using the registry, it'll go into that computer's systems, find where Dropbox is installed, and return it. So if I run this right now, hit my hotkey. So this is where on this computer, C users Joe /Dropbox. That's the path to Dropbox on this computer. If I run it on my computer next to me, because my username is different, that's probably going to be something different, right? And this way you can give it to anybody, and then you can use this function, call it to get that destination of where Dropbox is installed for that given user, and then use that in your path with all the stuff after it. So I just wanted to share it. I'm not going to make an actual post about this. I'll put this code in the comments of this video, but I just wanted to get it out there because it's handy. I did put this in my function library. Sorry, I should say my library, my LIB folder under where AutoHotkey is installed. That way I can leverage it directly without using includes to that function. But anyway, just thought I'd share it. Cheers.